So Maharaja Yudhisthira was so pious that during his reign time, kamam, vavarsa parjanyah, there was regular rainfall and everything was produced. Nice. Sarva-kama-dugha mahi. Sarva-kama. The another side is that you don't require industries, trade. You don't require. If you have got land and cow, then everything is complete. This is basic principle of Vedic civilization. Have some land, have some cows. Dhanyena, dhanavan, gavayah, dhanavan. Not industry. There is no need of industry because you want some food, nice milk, nice fruit. That will be produced by nature. You cannot manufacture all these things in the factory. So therefore, at the present moment, the big factories, they are the activities of the asuras, ugra-karma. All the people are dragged in the city, industrial area, to engage them in the produce of iron bars, big iron bars, Tata iron industry, and so many other industries. The capitalists, they have drawn all the innocent people from the village, and they think that we are getting fat salary. But what is the use of fat salary? At one side you get fat salary, another side you have to purchase 3 rupees a kilo rice. Finish your salary. This is going on. Let them produce their own food. Let him have some land. Let him produce his own food. Let there be cows. Let the cows become happy.